Kieran has been volunteering with us since he was about 7, 8 years old, and I have never met someone as passionate or as driven or as caring and aware at his age. He has got involved so much within the community. He works to prepare food parcels for the young people. You know, he cooks meals with them. He empowers them, he drives them to go forward and take control of their lives and make positive decisions all the time.
He's just really good at what he does for his age, and this is what he wants to do, and he wants to help people, and he's just amazing in what he does. So I reckon he deserves a win because how dedicated he is and the mindset he has to help people is really inspiring.
So at CCYP, my main role is to minimise antisocial behaviour for Town Centre. So I work with Torfaen County Borough Council, Gwent Police, and now we start working with McDonald's. So basically outreach teams, so includes myself, go out onto town, engage with young people if there's any issues going on, if they're causing any antisocial behaviour. We deal with that effectively. So I think the main thing what I've done is more building that relationships with that young person, knowing that if they've got any issues, they can, come to me, and then they know fully well I'll support them to the full extent and then sort whatever that issue is. And to be honest, it just feels really proud then to be nominated. But I also think it's great recognition as well for the centre and for other young people who wants to do something like this at a young age.